So I was just hanging out in the closet, checking it out, because it's such a big room. I actually got lost in there. There's plenty of room for clothes, shoes, handbags, you name it. This one-bedroom apartment is in pristine condition. We are actually in the bedroom at the time. The complete apartment is with all hardwood floors, freshly painted. And I'm gonna take you into the kitchen area. And there is no appliances. The owner does not provide them. Not a deal breaker at all, as you can see. It's got beautiful cabinets, great countertops, beautiful kitchen. You can put your table and chairs here. Hey guys, so now we're here at Lenny's Bakery, where Fortified Realty, this is where we get our pies for pie night for Thanksgiving. We are like centrally located. South Coast Plaza is right around the corner. Head down this street, you go right down to downtown, get the highway. All right, and also too at the South Coast Marketplace, you've got Market Basket, you've got the Starbucks. It's plenty of parking there to get around, do what you gotta do before you come back home. And also we're very close to the train station. So easy transportation if you don't have a car. And then we go into the living room area. If you have a sectional, it will definitely fit in here. Coffee table, nightstand, all that good stuff. And the last room that I wanna show you is the bathroom, which is immaculate. It's got a brand new bathtub, sink, and toilet. And it is sparkling white. Ready for you to be moving in. The owner is looking for first and last month's rent. The rent is $850 per month. And don't forget to book your showings on rentinfallriver.com. And I can't wait to hear from you guys and meet you all. Thank you.